in traffic. Gave it to him, it was all in plastic.
Go and see how many babies Honey got.
Heard that shit, close thing to hell. When the step don't make it hard to sell. When you been locked in, make it hard to fail. Cause I'm the realest nigga in this. Y'all know if you're
You gotta help her. Pick her 2 front legs up.
Pick them up. Go all the way up.
Yeah.
Too. They only 9 and 7, but they understand a little bit.
All right, honey, let's get us a weight on you, sweetheart.
I know you listen. 34 pounds. 34 pounds.
Okay, this isn't always an easy thing to do.
Uh-huh.
I find it's easier to count heads.
Uh-huh.
And there's 1. Okay, there's 2. There's 3. That looks like 4. In between there, it's hard for me to tell.
All right.
Okay? She's got a lot of poop in her.
Uh-huh.
Okay? That kind of clouds things
Right,
up.
right. I got you.
I took another picture of her because this didn't get up as high as I wanted. Her pelvis, fairly wide.
Okay.
Now the problem that we have here is to look at the fetal head, the puppy's head.
Uh-huh.
You're talking maybe that wide.
Right.
That should fit through there.
All right.
Easily.
All right.
Okay? But you got 11 days to grow on.
Right.
Don't know. I mean, you certainly don't want, if I could see any more puppies, really not. You got at least 4. And you may have others hiding in here.
Right.
I see some ribs sticking right here, and I don't see a head to go with it. Right here. So you may have 5 or 6 puppies in here. You may have more than that.
Right.
But I see 4 for sure.
4 for sure.
Okay. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. You may have others.